education is not the one which merely gives us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence. Here at SSVGI, the careers of the students are not just only made, but they are nurtured and blessed with the values which prepares us for the future competition. Every student is well placed at the highest of the MNCs around the globe.
Hi, this is Prakhar Rathod. I really enjoy having a very wide range of innovative lectures. It's very interesting to get lots and lots of different views, innovative ideas, and to get into touch with the latest technology. Here, the program organizers puts a lot of effort in keeping us informed about these things. Here at SSVGI, I feel equipped for my future by being shown that how wide is the field of sustainable development really is.